Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Today I'm going to be cleating and cleaning. Alright, as you can see, we got a huge mess here. It's not really that messy, but once I drilled all these holes, now I have wood shavings mixed in with all the stuff down there, so it needs to be cleaned up. Up here, I need to cut out that window. That'll give us a little bit of cross ventilation. Then I need to get everything out of here and vacuum up here. Natalie's going to be putting in the insulation tonight, and it needs to be nice and clean. So I'm going to go back down and get the oscillating tool and take with me whatever I can on my way down. Alright, we got it real nice and clean up here. We got the hole cut, got a nice breeze coming through. It's a bit messy down there, but we'll deal with that later. Now for the cleating. First thing I got to do is get my knee wall representation at the ends, right here and right there. Then I'll put 1x4 along these angles and along the top, and then that's pretty much it. Then I got to go over things and make sure everything's ready for Natalie. And like I said, get stuff staged up here for her. Then I have a big clean job down there. All right, I'm done with the drywall blocking. My cat Maisie came up here to join me. Now I just got to take a few things out of here, and I think the only thing I have to bring up here is extra staples and some block it tape, and then this is ready for Natalie. Yeah, she's very insistent on getting petted. Hi, kitty. So, next task is to get that big mess down there cleaned up. All right, back from a quick lunch. Okay, the next area I'm going to be working on is that wall right there, and then shortly after, that wall right there. So I need to put everything over here, everything but the insulation. Natalie's going to be working on the insulation today, or actually she's coming tomorrow. So Natalie will be working on the insulation upstairs tomorrow, and when she's done, we're going to move that out of here until it's ready for insulation down here. So I'm going to clean this whole wall off and then slowly move everything over here and get it nice and organized. And then we'll move the insulation over here somewhere so she has access to it tomorrow. Yeah, this is kind of a big job. All right, let's get started. Okay, all done. It is really hot in here. You can feel these walls. They're just toasty hot. It's actually a lot cooler upstairs because it's 2/3 insulated and it has cross ventilation. It's really nice up there. But at any rate, this is done. Plenty of room here to cut insulation, and there's not a whole hell of a lot of insulating to do. Yeah, good, good, good. So I'm gonna see if Natalie will film her insulating job. It would be her first filming all by herself. Should be pretty interesting. She might not want to do it. And if she don't want to do it, I'm not going to do it. It's too crowded up there for 2 people. We have drywall on this whole side, so the working area is pretty tiny. So when I get back to it, I'll be mudding all of these screw holes. No, actually, when Natalie finishes the insulation, the next day her and her boyfriend will be here, and we're going to be installing the rest of the drywall. Then I'll be mudding all that stuff. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them in the comment section below. And if you share the video and or give it a like, it helps the channel out greatly. Thanks for watching and have a great day.